This is Matrix, and this is chambered in 7.62 by 39. So this shoots the AK-47 round, and I'll give you a bit of a comparison. So there's 308, 7.62 by 39, and the 223, and you can see that the length of the 223 and the 39 are the same. And then when you look at the, so you've got the 39 and the 223 mags. So if you put them together, they're exactly the same. But you can't actually load the 39 rounds into the 223, because what happens, because they are an angled case, they will actually jam. So the upper is 7.62 by 39, right, and the lower is a 5.56 or 223 lower. So all you do is change that out, change a magazine, and you've got a second rifle. Right, that's a good thing about these ones and these particular calibers. They'll normally fit that mag well down there. And just a comparison with the 223 down here, 308, and the 39 magazines. This one has the standard AR trigger. There's nothing special with this. This actually feels really nice to shoot. Really nice to shoot.